Russian President Vladimir Putin has announced plans to increase imports of agricultural goods and pharmaceutical products from India to correct the trade imbalance. He also added that any losses from US tariffs would be offset by discounted crude exports to India. Turkey has proposed a $600 million defense package to the Bangladesh Air Force, covering aircraft upgrades, precision munitions, and advanced air defense systems. Europe's diesel imports from India reached an all-time high in September, directly defying the US sanctions pressure. Pakistan Army Chief, who is also globally known as Field Marshal, has proposed a plan to US President Donald Trump to build and operate a port terminal at Pasni in occupied Balochistan, which appears to counterbalance India's strategic presence at Iran's Chabahar port.
Sir, ये तो टट्टी है.
The Indian Foreign Minister has issued a strong message on POK.
So all I can say with respect to POK, that there is a parliament resolution. Every political party of this country is committed to ensure POK, which is a part of India, returns to India. This actually is our national commitment.
Indian Army carried out an intensive day and night exercises using advanced anti-tank guided missile systems at its high-altitude field firing range. The Indian Air Force has released declassified helmet cam and targeting pod footage, showing Su-30 fighter jets firing the Israeli Rampage supersonic missiles at high-value Pakistani targets during the May 2025 conflict. The Aeronautical Development Agency and the Ministry of Defense will select the winning industry partners from a competitive field of 7 bids for the AMCA program by mid-2026. A senior Russian official has clarified that Russia has not signed any agreement to provide jet engines to Pakistan, and he dismissed circulating reports that it plans to supply upgraded RD-93MA after burning turbofan engines to Pakistan for integration into the new JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter jets. The Indian Army has issued an request for proposal to Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited for 6 AK-630 air defense guns to strengthen low-altitude defense along the Pakistan border against UAVs, rockets, artillery and mortars. Russia's TASS news agency has reported that apart from Su-57, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has reiterated its readiness to collaborate with Russia on developing new generation fighter jet, potentially involving Russia's Su-75 Checkmate stealth fighter jet, under joint production or technology sharing arrangement under Make in India. The Indian Navy and Brahmos Aerospace are planning to integrate 800 km range submarine-launched Brahmos extended range missile variant on the upcoming Project 75I submarines, and the plan involves installing vertical launch systems, at least 8 cells per submarine, to enable submerged launches of the full-sized Brahmos missile. India's gas turbine research establishment is set to push the dry cavalry engine from 85% indigenization to 90%. The newly delivered prototype will soon undergo testing on an older Tejas airframe, followed by integration with the Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle, which is currently under fabrication at the Aeronautical Development Establishment in Bengaluru, with several sub-assemblies already completed. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.